Hello, and thanks for receiving this life-changing information. I am going to share some information about one of the most unique companies in America today. The company is MyEcon, a 15-year-old debt-free, technology-driven company that has empowered associates to generate over $500 million. MyEcon has a powerful business income system and a financial strategy which empowers people to minimize their taxes, eliminate their debt, build great credit, and grow investment income. The strategy is income shifting. You might be thinking, how can income shifting help me attain financial success? Think about what an additional $1,000 or more in monthly cash flow could do for your budget. You could pay off debt quickly, build investments faster, or even enhance your lifestyle. MyEcon has two powerful methods for people to acquire cash flow. The first method is using strategies in our membership. The membership has 5 cash flow strategies which enables our associates to shift dollars back into their household. The second is by earning business income, referring the membership to other people. Let's discuss how to increase your cash flow using the membership. The first strategy is correct tax withholding. The IRS says over 100 million employees have too much money withheld from their paycheck for taxes. When too much money is withheld for taxes, employees lose money because they could have used that money for investing, debt elimination, or lifestyle. Every day, we have hundreds of people correct their W-4 and increase their take-home pay. The second strategy is minimize taxes. As a MyEcon associate, you are also a business owner. Business owners have access to many more tax deductions than employees. Those deductions can save business owners thousands of dollars. We provide each associate with our Cash Flow Manager app, which tracks income, expenses, receipts, and business miles. We also provide training from the IRS website on potential deductions and how to document them. Our third strategy is debt elimination. We provide each associate with debt elimination software, debt elimination training, and extra cash flow to eliminate debt fast. The fourth strategy is build great credit. MyEcon's My Credit system provides each associate educational videos and support tools to build a great credit score. Associates learn how to dispute negative credit history and how to maximize credit utilization, credit mix, credit history, and new credit. Our fifth strategy, investment education, leads to investment income, which provides financial freedom. We provide training on investment terminology and investment strategies. One of our most important strategies is own a piece of America. As consumers, we spend millions of dollars during our lifetime with big American companies. Shifting some of those dollars into buying stock in those companies instead of consumer goods only simply makes sense. Our associates increase their cash flow using the strategies in the membership and earn business income referring the membership to other people. During our special holiday promotion, you can get started for a one-time fee of just $13.95, which provides access to all of the strategies and tools in the membership and empowers you to generate great upfront weekly income and long-term monthly residual income, even after the promotion ends. You can earn up to $12.50 on personal enrollees, up to $7.50 on team enrollees, plus up to $8 monthly residual income on each active membership. Top associates earn thousands of dollars in upfront weekly commissions and monthly residual incomes. When you sign up, you receive a personalized website, our income shifting membership, our world-class business system, and because of our special promotion, you can get started for a one-time fee of just $13.95, and then a small monthly fee of just $34.95 beginning 30 days after enrollment. Remember, the fees are tax deductible, and as an actively engaged business owner, you can get thousands of dollars in tax deductions. So get started today and start making and saving money immediately.